Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. Today, we'll delve into the intriguing journey of Cathy Wood, who candidly acknowledges her past mistakes while passionately advocating that the present is an exceptional moment to wholeheartedly embrace innovative investment strategies and potentially unlock the path to becoming a millionaire. Let's get started. Cathy Wood, the visionary founder and CEO of ARK Invest, is known for her bold and innovative investment strategies. She has achieved prominence in the world of finance by focusing on disruptive innovation. Recently, she candidly admitted to potential inaccuracies in her past projections, but remains unwavering in her belief that now is the ideal moment to embrace innovative investment strategies for the potential of substantial financial success. Wood recognizes the inherent volatility in innovation strategies, which often center around emerging technologies and high-growth potential companies. While these investments can be exceptionally rewarding, they also come with elevated risk due to the uncertainty surrounding these unproven innovations. Key to Wood's perspective is the idea that these strategies should not dominate a portfolio, especially when considering such investments for the first time. She advises you to establish a foothold gradually and prudently, allowing you to adapt to the dynamic nature of innovation-based investments while mitigating potential risks. The past 5 years, particularly 2021 and 2022, have been challenging for long-duration strategies, including those focused on innovation. A significant increase in interest rates, a 22-fold rise in little over a year, contributed to this challenging environment, prompting questions about the sustainability of innovation-based investments. Many doubted whether the era of high-growth, innovative companies was coming to an end, believing that these firms were overvalued and vulnerable to rising interest rates. However, Cathy Wood maintains optimism, asserting that the investment landscape is evolving. She sees a global hard landing underway, with economies worldwide, including China, Europe, and the United States, experiencing a sharp economic slowdown, often leading to a recession. In this challenging environment, Wood anticipates a shift in the stance of the Federal Reserve in response to these developments, with the Fed expected to adjust its policies to support the economy. Wood's perspective aligns with the notion that lower interest rates and accommodative monetary policies could create an ideal environment for long-term duration investment strategies, including those focused on innovation. Wood highlights unique current economic conditions, including negative year-over-year money growth not seen since the 1930s. Leading indicators have been declining for 15 or 16 consecutive months, historically preceding recessions. Wood remains skeptical about the likelihood of a soft landing, emphasizing that such expectations have often been incorrect in the past. She draws parallels between the present situation and the period leading to the 2008 financial crisis, when skyrocketing oil prices acted as a regressive tax on consumers, contributing to economic challenges. Today, economic pressures are building due to various factors, including high energy costs. Well, before we continue, remember to show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Despite these macroeconomic challenges, Cathy Wood's investment strategy remains firmly grounded in her research on innovation. Her company's research focuses on 5 core innovation platforms: robotics, energy storage, artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, and multi-omic sequencing in the life sciences. Wood's conviction in the potential of these platforms has only strengthened over time. These 5 areas of innovation hold the promise of delivering exponential growth trajectories. The convergence of these technologies is expected to create a dynamic ecosystem where innovations reinforce each other. For example, autonomous taxi platforms, robotics, autonomous vehicles, energy storage, and artificial intelligence are expected to intertwine and drive each other's development. Cathy Wood emphasizes that these 5 curves are not isolated but interconnected. For example, autonomous taxi platforms will rely on robotics and artificial intelligence while being powered by energy storage. This convergence is set to generate significant momentum and drive innovation at an unprecedented pace. Wood believes that these 5 platforms are on the cusp of transforming various industries and, in turn, generating substantial growth. Over the last couple of years, ARK Invest faced significant headwinds as the market questioned the substantiability of innovative companies, resulting in performance declines and outflows. However, Wood sees this as a contrarian indicator, suggesting that the market may be underestimating the potential of these disruptive innovations. Cathy Wood's vision embraces today's mature and cost-effective technologies, a far cry from past tech bubbles. She deems this the ideal time for tech-driven industrial change, untroubled by interest rate concerns. Wood argues that robust growth can counterbalance rate hikes, a view supported by value customers who have delved into her research. At ARK Invest, they echo Wood's dedication to innovation, forging ahead during market slumps. Their method involves doubling down on their top 27 holdings, exhibiting trust in their long-term potential, and expecting lower purchase prices to yield dividends when the market resurfaces. It's crucial to understand that ARK Invest strategy may not suit all investors, as they require a deep understanding of the potential risks and rewards associated with the innovation-focused companies. However, for those who resonate with this investment philosophy and can embrace the inherent volatility, it presents a compelling approach to explore. In conclusion, Cathy Wood's insights highlight the enduring value of innovation and disruptive technologies. While she acknowledges potential inaccuracies in her past projections, her unwavering commitment to the transformative power of innovation offers a compelling perspective for those who share her vision. By embracing innovation and staying the course during turbulent times, you'll have the potential to benefit significantly from the disruptive forces shaping our world. Now we want to hear from you. What are your insights and thoughts on Cathy Wood's approach to investing in innovation and disruptive technologies? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you agree with her perspective on the enduring value of innovation? Do you see the future of innovation-based investments in the ever-changing financial landscape? Your insights are essential, and we look forward to hearing your perspectives. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.